Hi y'all! In this video, we're going to make a mini crossbody bag using bandanas. This project is stitch-free, so you don't need a sewing machine and there's no hand stitching. The finished bag is just right for essentials. We are using the Bandana-Rama DIY kit, which includes the patterns and materials. Check the link in the description. You can also use your own supplies. Don't forget to follow our channel for more DIY crafts and bandanas. For this project, you'll need the materials from your kit or from your favorite craft store. 2 bandanas, fusible interfacing, ribbon, a magnetic snap, fabric glue, glue dots, sewing clips, 1 safety pin, adhesive strips, a straw, a wooden rod, and the Bandana-Rama printed patterns or your own pattern. You'll also need scissors, a pen, pencil, or fabric marker, an iron, and a cotton cloth for ironing. First, cut out the pattern pieces along the outside solid cut lines. You'll have side A and side B of the mini crossbody bag pattern. Overlap them where the pattern tells you to. Line up the plus marks and use the small adhesive strip to join them together on the front and back. Then cut a piece of fusible interfacing about 1 inch larger than the bag pattern. Now we're going to make the inner layer. We will use pink for the inside and navy blue for the outside. Choose the part of the bandana print you want to show on the inside of your bag. Place the interfacing on the wrong side of the bandana, with the rough side of the interfacing touching the fabric. The smooth side of the interfacing should face up. Cover it with a cotton cloth. We're using an old t-shirt, and have an adult press it with the iron on high heat. Make sure that the interfacing attaches evenly. Check the corners and edges. Press again if needed. Place the bag pattern on top of the interfaced fabric and trace around the outside edge. Then place the outer bandana fabric underneath the interfaced layer. Flip the 2 layers together so they don't move. Cut both bag pieces along the traced line. Now you should have 2 matching bag pieces, 1 inner layer with interfacing and 1 outer layer without interfacing. Now fold the bandana fabric you'll use for the strap in half, then in half again, and in half again. Make sure the sides are straight and aligned. Cut any excess fabric from the side and use the strap width guide to cut 1 strip. Then cut a second strip. You can choose either bandana color for the strip, but make sure you save enough of the inner fabric for decorations. You should have 2 strips. Now let's mark the slits on the inner layer with interfacing. Use the main pattern to mark the middle fold line of the bag. Then place the slit guide aligning the darker lines with the fold and the bottom of the guide to the edge of the fabric. Mark the top of each slit. I'll also mark the opposite side. Then move the guide down, this time aligning the bottom line of the guide to the edge of the fabric. Mark the bottom of each slit. Also mark the opposite side. Now, mark the slits on the other side as well. Finally, join the top and bottom points together. The slits should look like those marked on the printed pattern. Fold the fabric so each slit line is folded in half. Clip the fabric to hold it in place. Carefully cut each slit. Start small. Each slit only needs to be wide enough for the ribbon to pass through. Be careful, don't cut through the bottom edge of the folded fabric. Also, you should not cut the outer bag layer. Check to make sure all slits are cut. Repeat on the other side until all slits are cut. Now place the outer bag layer and the inner / interfaced layer together with the right sides touching, and the wrong sides should face out. Align the edges and clip the layers together from the opening. The colorful sides should be touching. Apply a small amount of fabric glue along the dashed glue line. Do not glue the bottom opening for turning. We will use it to turn the bag right side out later. While the glue dries, we'll add the magnetic snap halves. Use the pattern as a guide to place the snaps. Place 1/2 of the magnetic snap on the top of the inner / interfaced fabric. Once it's centered, mark the edges and attach it with 2 glue dots. Then turn the piece over and repeat to attach the matching half of the snap to the wrong side of the outer fabric. While the bag body dries, let's make the strap. When the strap dries, we'll need to leave enough space inside for the straw to move through. Be careful not to add too much glue. First, place the 2 strips together with the right sides touching and glue one short end so they become one long strip. Then, open the strip out. With the right side facing up, apply glue along one long edge. Then fold the strip so the right sides touch and the wrong side faces out. Use clips to keep the glued edge hold in place. Fold and glue one end of the strap closed, but leave the other end open. Set the strap aside to dry. Once the glue is dry, turn the bag body right side out through the bottom opening. Use your hands to gently shape the rounded flap and edges. Don't pull too hard because the glued seams can separate if they are not fully dry. Check the magnetic snap again. The top snap should be on the inside lining, and the bottom snap should be on the outside shell of the bag. Now fold the raw edges of the bottom opening inward. Clip them in place, making sure the slit openings stay visible and aligned near the folded edges. Glue the bottom opening closed using a small amount of glue. Move the clips as needed to keep the folded edges neat. Attach the safety pin to one end of the ribbon. Now fold the bag along the fold line with the inner lining facing out. This will help you guide the ribbon through the slits. Starting at the top of one side, thread the ribbon through the first pair of slits, leaving a few inches of ribbon at the top. Then, thread the ribbon through the second pair of slits on the other side. Thread the ribbon on the other side, skipping one pair. Continue threading the ribbon through the slit pairs. Following the pattern, you'll move from one side to the other, skipping one pair. When you reach the fold, gently tighten the ribbon. Then thread the ribbon upward through the remaining slit pairs, following the same pattern. When you finish one side, remove the safety pin and repeat the same process on the other side of the bag. When you are done, tie a square knot to hold the ribbon in place. Use the remaining ribbon on each side to make loops for attaching the strap. Try to make the loops about the same size. Use your fingers to tie a knot at the end of each loop and trim any extra ribbon. Now the magic moment. Turn the bag so the outer shell is on the outside and the lining is inside. Now we'll turn the strap right side out. Cut the straw so it is about 1 inch shorter than the wooden rod. Place the straw inside the open end of the strap and gently move it through by gathering the fabric around it. Then use the wooden rod to push the closed end of the strap into the straw. Keep pushing until the fabric starts coming out the other end. Once you can grab the fabric, slowly pull it through until the whole strap is turned right side out. Go slowly. If it gets stuck, separate the fabric gently with your hands instead of forcing it. Flatten the strap with your hands, keeping the seam toward the back. Cut off the glued closed end so both ends are open. Take one end of the strap and fold it around one ribbon loop on the side of the bag. Make sure the knot stays tucked inside the folded strap end. Fold the end inward again to hide the raw edge. then glue it in place. Clip it with sewing clips while it dries. Repeat on the other side of the bag. Set the bag aside again and let the glue dry fully before wearing it. This part is optional, but it makes the bag feel more like yours. You can decorate the front, the back, or both sides of your bag. Choose one of the downloadable templates or use your own design iron a small piece of interfacing to the wrong side of your decoration fabric. Place your printed template on top of the interfaced fabric and clip it so it does not move. Then cut around the shape. If your design has a hole, fold the fabric gently to cut out the opening. Use a small amount of fabric glue to attach the decoration to your bag. Let it dry flat. And that's it! Your bandana mini crossbody bag is ready to wear. I love how the two bandana colors make the print stand out, and every bag comes out a little different. You can use it for small essentials, give it as a handmade gift, or make matching bags for your friends. Thanks for crafting with Bandana-Rama. You can find the kit, templates, and more bandana craft ideas at bandana-rama.com.